In this simple guide, I'm gonna show you how to turn on, turn off, or change the wallpaper or screensaver image of your Insignia Fire TV and customize them using your own photos and albums. So let's get right into it. First, we need to open the screensaver options by going to Settings, then open Display and Sound, and from here find Screensaver. By going to current screensaver, you can either choose Amazon's own collection of images or your own photos by selecting the last three options. And you can add photos to your Amazon cloud very easily by installing the Amazon Photos app on any smartphone such as Android or iPhone, then log in with the same Amazon account, give it access to your photos, and now you can just select the photos you want to upload. And after you're done uploading, you can set them as the screensaver of your Insignia Fire TV. And you can further customize your screensaver by selecting a slide style, slide speed, and also set a timer after which the screensaver will start showing. And if you want to turn it off, just select never, and the screensaver will be disabled. And as you can see, there's also other options that you can customize. And that's how easy it is to change the screensaver of your Insignia Fire TV. Let us know your feedback, and I'll see you later.